Let's start with a simple question. What makes a resume work? Not just look good, but land interviews. In 2025, hiring managers still spend just a few seconds scanning your resume. If the right things don't jump out immediately, it's skipped. In this lecture, we will discuss how resumes are read, what recruiters want to see, and what's changed in the past few years. Objectives of the lecture. By the end of this lecture, you'll be able to understand how hiring managers quickly scan resumes, identify what makes a resume stand out in a competitive job market, recognize outdated resume habits to avoid in 2025. Know the key sections that matter most at a glance. What is a resume? A resume is not a list of everything you've ever done. It's not a timeline of every job you've had. And it's not your life story. A resume is a marketing document, a short, targeted snapshot of your most relevant experience, skills, and accomplishments. Your resume has one goal: to land you an interview. It's not about getting the job on the spot. It's about making sure you stand out enough to get that first call. How recruiters read resumes. Imagine this. A recruiter has 100 resumes to look at for one job. They don't read each one top to bottom. They scan. Research shows the average initial scan takes about 7 seconds. That means your formatting, layout, and keywords matter as much as what you're saying. Here's what they're scanning for: clear job titles and section headers. Key skills that match the job description. Relevant accomplishments, not just job duties. A clean layout that's easy to read. What has changed in 2025? Less is more. Fluff and filler don't help. Every word should earn its place. Keywords still matter. Applicant tracking systems, ATS, filter resumes. If your resume doesn't contain key terms from the job post, it might never reach human eyes. Customization wins. Generic resumes no longer work. Recruiters expect resumes to feel tailored, especially in competitive roles. Achievements over responsibilities. It's not enough to say you managed a team. You need to show what the result was. What makes a resume stand out? A strong summary that clearly states who you are and what you bring to the table. Bullet points that focus on results, not tasks. Consistent formatting that makes scanning easy. Tailored content that mirrors the language of the job description. Outdated practices to avoid. Using references available upon request. Listing every job you've ever had, even if irrelevant. Paragraph-style job descriptions, they won't get read. Including your full address or personal details, not necessary anymore.